In this video, we will talk about the 7 millionaire habits that will change your life. Becoming a millionaire isn't about how much money you have or how fast you can accumulate wealth. It's about behaviors and habits that lead to long-term success. The good news is that being a millionaire is not as complicated as most people think it is. You don't need to be born with a silver spoon in your mouth, inherit millions from your parents, win the lottery, or be exceptionally brilliant to become a millionaire. You simply need to adopt the right habits. Whether you aspire to build lasting wealth, spend wisely, invest wisely, give back responsibly, or simply expand your personal and professional networks in order to accelerate your path towards financial independence, these are the habits that will help you get there faster. Here are the 7 millionaire habits that can change your life. Let's start. Work out consistently. Working out consistently is crucial to your long-term success. A strong, healthy body and mind is a necessity for anyone who aspires to build lasting wealth. Why? Because a healthy body and mind will always be more productive, effective, efficient, and profitable than a sick or unwell one. You may have heard the saying that if you don't take care of your physical health now, you'll pay for it later. This is true. The question is, will you pay for it now or later? Physical health and mental fitness are fundamental to long-term success because they give you the energy to consistently pursue your passions and goals, no matter how difficult they may seem. Working out also offers various other benefits such as improved mood, sleep quality, confidence, productivity, and attention span. Meditate and/or pray. Many people forget to include both meditation and prayer as habits in their quest to become a millionaire. Why? Because both are tremendously beneficial to our physical, mental, and emotional health. Meditation is when you clear your thoughts and focus on one single thing, such as your breathing or a positive affirmation. It's a great way to focus your attention, reduce stress, and increase creativity and productivity. Meditation and prayer are also excellent for increasing your self-control and self-awareness. When you meditate or pray, you slow down your thoughts and feelings and become more present in the moment. This enables you to respond to challenging situations instead of reacting to them. Having greater self-awareness enables you to make better choices, not just for yourself, but also for others. And isn't that what we all want? Don't just set and forget your goals. In order to make any progress towards your goals, you need to set them in the first place. Sounds obvious, right? But many people set goals without taking the time to ensure they're smart, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. A SMART goal will help you stay on track towards your end goal, and more importantly, it will help you identify areas where you need to improve. Why? Because it's easy to forget about your goals when you don't have a system in place to track your progress. It's like trying to drive somewhere without a map. You may get there eventually, but it'll take you a lot longer than necessary. When you set SMART goals and have a system in place to track your progress, you'll be able to adjust your plan as necessary and avoid getting off track. You'll also be able to identify areas where you need to improve so you can make adjustments and avoid unnecessary delays. Read more books. There are 3 major points to consider before you start reading books. First, reading a book is not the same as studying for an exam. Second, you will learn more if you engage with the material by connecting the dots and reflecting on what you have read. And third, to improve your financial literacy, you can select any book on finance, but to get a holistic perspective on money, you need to read books that provide insights into different disciplines: psychology, sociology, philosophy, etc. Reading more books will give you a broader perspective on life and help you avoid getting stuck in a bubble of your own thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. It's easy to get caught up in our narrow view of the world when we surround ourselves with like-minded individuals who share our beliefs and thoughts. You can't grow and improve if you keep reading the same books and listening to the same podcasts that you've been consuming since you were a kid. Reading more books will give you a more well-rounded view of the world, and it will also help you expand your personal and professional networks. It's been proven time and time again that the more books you read, the more knowledge you'll acquire and the more connections you'll make. See the best in every situation. Being able to see the best in every situation will not only help you improve your mindset, but it will also enable you to find solutions to any problem or situation that comes your way. Being able to see the best in every situation will also help you avoid letting your emotions get the best of you. It's easy to get frustrated and angry when we don't see the best in every situation. This often leads us to make rash decisions and bad judgments that we later regret. Being able to see the best in every situation will help you make better decisions, avoid rash judgments and rash decisions, and help you become a more well-rounded person. It's easy to see the worst in every situation and become negative when things don't go your way or when you have to deal with challenging situations. It's easy to get stuck in a bubble of negativity when you only see the worst in every situation. Love what you do. If you want to become a millionaire, you have to love what you do. This might sound a bit ridiculous, but you'd be surprised how many people pursue careers and hobbies they don't truly enjoy. It's important to remember that the journey to becoming a millionaire won't always be easy. You'll have to work long hours, deal with challenging situations, and sacrifice time away from friends and family from time to time. You'll have to deal with rejection and disappointments along the way, and there will likely be moments when you want to quit. So it's important that you love what you do because it'll give you the motivation and drive to keep going when times get tough. It's also important to remember that you don't have to be a millionaire to be happy. It's important to love what you do, not how much you make. Always replace yourself. To have the time to scale your firm into the millions, you must find employees to handle the day-to-day operations. Dealing with all aspects of the business yourself will practically become a full-time job. Start to replace yourself with team members to free up time. Systematize the company and make passive income. With a strong team behind you, you can become a millionaire, and the only way to do so is to develop the habit of replacing yourself. To do this, systematize all you do and then train others to perform your duties. Repeat this procedure until your business generates millions of dollars. These are the 7 millionaire habits you need to adopt in order to become a millionaire. They are consistency in exercise, setting and tracking goals, seeing the best in every situation, reading a variety of books, loving what you do, and always replacing yourself. These habits will help you not only become a millionaire, but they will also help you become a more well-rounded person. If you enjoyed this video and got value from it, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.